This is question number 6 of paper 2017, October November, paper 2, variant 2-1. Topic is circle properties. Given is that A, B, C, D and E are points on the circumference of the circle, as you can see. A, B, C, D and E, they are the points on the circumference of the circle. Given that AC is the diameter, as you can see in the question, AC is the diameter and AC is parallel to ED. Here you can see AC is diameter parallel to ED. Okay, what is further given? BAC is 52, CB is 68. Here you can see BAC is 52 and the other angle given is this one, CBE is 68. What is to be obtained? ACB. Part is ACB. Okay, now first of all you can just identify or locate your angle ACB. Okay, this one you need to identify this one. Now for circle properties, this angle is being formed by an arc, this one. So identification of arc is very important. Now this arc is basically making this angle, that is of 38. Now observe that this arc is this arc making an angle somewhere else also? We have, okay, this angle will also be 38, this one, because the arc is same and same arc forms same angle. If this arc forms an angle of 38 over here, then this arc forms an angle of 38 over here as well. But this is not the case here. So let's move on to the next assumption. The next idea will be to think that basically the concept says that the diameter makes an angle of 90 degree at the circumference. Now this angle, this complete angle should be of 90 degree because it is being formed by the diameter. So this, if this complete is 90, so then subtract 68 from 90, you will get 22. This one will be 22. And if this is 22, this is 52, you can find this angle by subtracting these two, 22 and 52, from 180. So you will get 106. And if this is 106, you can find this one. So this will be 74. The reason this complete angle is 180. So 180 minus 106 will give you 74. Now consider this triangle. This is 68, this is 74. You can find this one. Simply subtract 74 and 68 from 180. So you will get this one as 38. This is a possible approach to find this one. In the second part, they have asked to find the angle A, E and F. A, E, F. Well, we have discussed this one by considering this arc. This arc makes an angle of 38 over here at the circumference. So this arc is making an angle of, again, the same 38 over here as well. The same arc forms same angle at the circumference. So this one is 38. Yes, as far as reason is concerned, why they are same and they are angled in the same segment. The third part is find the value of C, D and E. Now observe that this is a cyclic quadrilateral, C, D, E and B. The cyclic quadrilateral is basically a quadrilateral whose vertices C, D, vertex E and vertex B, all four vertices are on circumference of the circle. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral, and concept says that opposite angles we need to find this one. So opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means their addition is basically equal to 180. That means this angle, which is 68, and this one should equal to 180 upon addition. So we want to find this one. Suppose this is A. So A plus 68 should be equal to 180. From here you can find the value of A, which will be 112. It will be 112 upon subtracting 68 from 180, you will get 112. And the last part says find B, C, D. Okay, this one. Now we have obtained this one as 106. Then this was 74. This one is also 106 because these two are vertically opposite angles. Moreover, if this is 74, then this is 74. As they have given us that these two lines are parallel, so this is a transversal line. So this 74 and this 74, they are corresponding. So we have got 106 over here, 74 over here, 112 over here. Now considering this quadrilateral, you can find this angle, which will be 360 minus 106 minus 74 minus 112. So you will be getting this one, because sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is 360. Subtract all these three from 360 to get this one. So when you will subtract all these three from 360, you will get 68, and 68 plus 38, as we need to find this complete angle. So 68 is this one. 68 plus 38 will give you 106. So this is the solution for this part. Thank you so much.